me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Hello and welcome to our video today, where we're going to talk about the all-new Porsche 911 Turbo S models that have been completely redesigned for 2024. This next-generation 911 features an updated exterior design, interior layout, and more powerful turbocharged engines. The car will come with a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine, an 8-speed automatic, and an all-wheel drive system, offering 640 horsepower and taking only 2.6 seconds to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.7 seconds for the convertible. But that's not all. The updated sports car will also offer more advanced autonomous driving technologies and new styling. The next generation, 2024 Porsche 911 Turbo S models will be the first to provide these features, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. The Porsche 911 Turbo S will have a starting price of $216,100 for the coupe variant and $228,900 for the convertible variant, making it one of the most expensive sports cars on the market. But for those who can afford it, the Porsche 911 Turbo S is an actual work of art. Speaking of competitors, the 911 Turbo S will be facing the Corvette E-Ray, which has a hybrid engine with a massive V8 and an electric motor that produces 655 horsepower and is 0.2 seconds faster than the 911 Turbo S. However, the Porsche 911 Turbo S is still expected to offer similar mileage to the Corvette E-Ray. Overall, the Porsche 911 Turbo S is set to be released in 2024 and promises to be one of the market's most innovative and stylish vehicles. If you're a fan of speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, then the 911 Turbo S might just be the car for you.